All right, welcome back. We've been talking about acrostic poems yesterday and today. We're now on lesson 156. Hopefully you had some time last night to be thinking about that keyword, what you'd like to write your acrostic poem about. Let's pray as we get started. Thank you, God, for giving us creative minds. All of us are creative because we are made in your image, and you are ultimately the most creative person. So, God, we know that you want to give us things that we can talk about and things that we can learn about and things that we can express. So give us just some really wonderful thoughts today as we put together this poem. We love you. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, the acrostic poem, lesson 156, they show you on, actually, well, let's see, page 305, they've got this poem up again, the one that was written by the girl about summer. Now, I want you to just take a look at that. Let me read it to you again. Soft breeze rustling up the trees. You notice they put a comma right here. The comma, just like if you're reading anything else, is going to indicate we're going to pause right there. You may want to, as you're reading through on your poem, you may want to pause. Like, think about this part. Soft breeze rustling up in the trees. And then you go to another thought about the same key word. Mornings with no school. Pause. Making me feel lazy. That would really pause me. Evenings of playing outside. Pause. Racing on my bike. You notice the last one always has a period. So we're going to have a period at the end, or we may have a dash if we want to put in something else that's more of a sound. Sounds work in these too, like the rough rough. But you notice every line starts with a capital letter because that is your key word and it's bolded. It stands out. So whoever is reading it sees the key word, knows what it is all about because that's essentially its title. So that's the title. And then the whole thing is meant to be sort of one long flowing sentence, although it is going to be a little choppy with the pauses. And that's okay. This is different than writing regular compositions. So keep that in mind. It is going to be a collection of phrases put together in order to sort of make a mental picture of one thing. Mental image. Keep that in mind. That is what it does have in comparison, in similarity to the haiku from a couple of days ago. They do have one mental picture that they're trying to get in mind. This just does it in a different way. So, again, keep in mind that you're going to be writing about something that you're familiar with, something that you know something about, and something that you're maybe even passionate about, that you have something that you really feel strongly about, because that will communicate better and it will go over better in your writing. All right, I think that's all for today. On page 304, what you're going to do is write your keyword there on the blue line, and then in that green box, go ahead and write your haiku. Acrostic. Get your acrostic there in the box, and then we'll take a look at it when we come back together the next time. All right, hope that helps you out. Have a great weekend if you're actually following the plan. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.